Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this diamond easel card, and it opens up and folds like that using the Brushed Blooms bundle. So here is the Brushed Blooms bundle. Has these roses with leaves, and then these dots and these brush strokes along with sentiments, and then the dies have these layering roses as well as layering leaves and these really fun brush strokes. And I used this in another card video that I did, so make sure to check that out. But for this one, I'm going to show you how to make this diamond easel card. So fun and so cute, and will wow whoever you give this card to. So to start, you are going to use a piece of 12 by 6 petal pink paper, and you're going to score at 6 inches and 9 inches. So score at 6 and 9, and then you're going to fold it in half and then turn it 90 degrees, and you're going to make a mark at 3 inches right in the middle. And then you are going to draw from that cut line, from that 3-inch mark to your 3-inch score line. You're going to draw a cut line of where you're going to cut right here. And then from the score line to the mark. And this is where you're going to cut. So get your large, sharp cutting scissors and carefully cut your nice, sharp point. Try to stay right on that line, then you can erase the mark when you're done. So now I'm going to go back and erase this. We're going to cover it up, but I'm just going to go ahead and erase it anyway. All right, so next I am going to use a piece of 2 pieces of basic black, and these are 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and they are going to be placed right here. They're going to fit right in the diamond of the card. So one is going to be placed on the outside, and then one is going to be placed on the inside of the card. And then I'm going to layer 2 pieces of the True Love Designer Series paper that's in the mini catalog. It's going to be retiring at the end of the catalog, so make sure you get it before it's gone. And I'm going to layer these onto my basic black. So I'll go ahead and adhere these on. I'm going to do this flower design inside the card. Okay, and then I'm going to do the polka dots on the outside of the card. Love the polka dots. All right, now I'm gonna decorate the card a bit, do some stamping. So the first thing I'm going to use is this label. This is from, oh dear, I just forgot. I think it's from the Tasteful Labels Dies. I will double check that and put that in the notes below. I'm pretty sure it's from the Tasteful Labels Dies. And then I have my roses, 2 large ones and 1 little one, and I'm going to show you how to place this on here. But first I just wanted to show you which dies go with which flower, because it can be a little bit confusing. But there are 3 large flower dies. These 3 go together, so they're wide, and then 3 small ones, and they are round. So this small goes with these 2 round ones, and I just put them together on my magnet sheet here so I know which ones go with which. They're kind of separated, so that helps me. And then it's a little bit tricky placing them on the flower, layering them up. But for this flower, this layer, this little hook right here, if I lay the rose vertically so that it's thin on this side, then the hook goes on the bottom. And then this piece right here that has this little 2-prong piece sticking out, that goes right here, where this starts the hook. So I cut this out with adhesive sheets to make it super easy to adhere. I suggest always using adhesive sheets with any small, delicate die cut pieces. So this piece is going to fit that little piece right there. It's going to be where that goes. So this one's the tricky one to line up. The other one is pretty easy to line up because you can tell by the width where the pieces line up. So, okay, all these are on dimensionals. So I'll show you right here with this flower. So you can see they're all wide. So this piece right here goes like that. So you can see how it's pretty easy to figure out this one, because you can tell that this piece right here fits in this right here, just fits right there. And then you can tell that this piece right here goes right there, lines up right there. So that's how that one lines up. And then again, like I said, with this one, the smaller one, you want to have this one and then have it be thin, and then that, I'm sorry, other way, have the 2 and then thin ways, and then have this hook at the bottom, and then that hook is what goes at the bottom. And then this 2-prong right here goes where the hook starts, right there. And then that's how you line that up. So hopefully my mumbo jumbo is a good explanation of how to layer the flower. All right, so I'm going to place this right in the middle. And then I'm going to layer these close together. Just like right on top of each other. That one needs to scoocha-moocha over a bit. So over here, and then this one can come, that's better, over here. And then place this one at the bottom, right there in the middle. And then I've already layered the leaves, and I'm going to use glue dots to place those. So peel to reveal 3 glue dots, and I'm just going to put them on the bottom stem, and I'll just glide those in. Kind of like the 3 corners of the roses. Very nice. So that's our front. So now when we open our card, we need to decorate the inside a little bit. So we're going to place a little message there, as well as our little stop for the easel. So this is from Tasteful Labels. So I'm just going to stamp a little brush stroke and a happy birthday. I need to clean my happy birthday. So I'm just going to use my squeegee. And I'm going to use Petal Pink for my brush stroke. I think I did it this way. So there's my fun brush stroke. And then I used Memento Black for the happy birthday. Just stamp that right in the middle. Okay, that's mostly in the middle. And then I have a piece of 6, no, that would be 5 3/4 by 2 3/4 basic black, and then this would basic white would be 5 1/2 by 2 1/2. So I'm going to stamp. I'm going to put these aside and bring in my scrap paper, and I'm going to stamp the dots all. Did I get something on there? Looks like I did. Just use my sand eraser to kind of scrape that off. I think it's my makeup. Just stamp these all around. Yay! Okay. And then for my forever friend in black. Just hopefully right in the middle. All right. So there's black and then Petal Pink. So this we can adhere flat with the Stampin' Seal. I think the Petal Pink and the basic black are very dramatic. Very nice together. So we'll place this in here. Very nice. And then we'll use dimensionals for this piece. It will be our stop for the easel card. I only wanted one. So we'll just place that right down here. And then that will be, we forgot to, oh, I did a huge boo-boo. You should not put any adhesive above on the top right here. So no adhesive should go right here because obviously then your easel card won't work. So then you have to get out your adhesive eraser and you got to work hard to get all that adhesive off. Silly me. But now you've learned from my mistakes. It's hard to get that off your fingers too. But if you don't have an adhesive eraser, that's definitely something that is a good investment. They're not expensive. You can get them, I'm sure, at, you know, online craft website online, and they can save your craft projects. So there we go. Adhesive removed. Project saved. Okay, so there we go. Now our easel will work. And there is our diamond easel card using the Brushed Blooms stamp set. So let me tilt that towards you so you can see how pretty it is. So I am offering a free card kit when you purchase the Brushed Blooms bundle, and these are the cards that come in the card kit. So email me at Elaine at elainescreations.net and let me know after you purchase the bundle that you would like this free card kit. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other brush bloom video tutorials. I'll catch you next time. Bye.